All right, you guys, really interesting information. I didn't realize this, but did you know heroin is Utah's biggest drug problem?
Wow. Well, Gretchen is here, and she is sitting down with Emeral Improvement Center to talk about a new treatment center that can actually help with that serious addiction. Hi, Gretchen.
Hi, guys. Good morning. You know, I want you to meet, this is our newest client with Utah Works, and this is Dr. Steve Warren. He's a medical doctor there, and COO Steve Isom with Emeral Improvement Center. They talked about heroin being the #1 problem in Utah. Who are you seeing?
Well, Steve is seeing a lot of patients, but what we're seeing, a lot of people that are coming, that are using it as a gateway to get away from whatever they started with. And so there's a wide range of people that don't start on heroin, but they lead to heroin because they can't get treatment.
This is the interesting thing, Steve, because you talked about young moms.
Yeah, you know, I see more of these young moms all the time, and even young fathers, but, you know, they come in from an accident where they have a baby, you know, either a C-section or they had a baby and they give them a few pain pills. They go home, the baby starts screaming, another child's screaming. They take one of their pain pills, they can deal with the kids, and after a while they start popping the pills, not because they're in pain, but because they're dealing with coping with things.
Yeah.
And suddenly they start taking more pills. They go to their doctor. The doctor says, hey, we need to stop the pills. Then they start going to their friends, and then they either doctor shop or go to the streets. And it doesn't take too long for a dealer to finally find them and say, hey, I have something like heroin. You just smoke it. You're not shooting it. You're smoking it. And suddenly they smoke it. Their stress is gone. Their pain's gone. And they're just doing smooth until they, you know, start getting in trouble or start realizing they have a real problem.
Oh my goodness, that could be so many people out there.
So many.
So, Mike, when people pick up the phone and call, what do you guys do to help them?
The most important thing is to find out where they are and what they need. And it's not a one-size-fits-all in any means. And whether it's just a simple treatment or it's a series of treatments over months, or if they need to get away to be isolated and actually be treated, the whole point of having multiple locations allows us to see what the patient truly needs. And so it's just more important to be able to get out to find out what the true care plan is, and that way we have a lasting effect with the patient, instead of just you sign up, you go through a program,
you just go sit in a big group,
and you're back in the ER a month later.
But
There's
you
a huge
guys
revolving
also,
door
I mean,
problem.
suppose somebody doesn't have insurance, or they're worried about, can I take off from my job? Can you guys help with that too?
Yeah, there are so many available programs that we offer that cater to an individual. It's more important to find out what a person needs, and we cater around them. And so we have 3 locations that allow people to come during the day, come to an office visit, or actually check out and get treatment for an entire month.
Here's the thing that I love. I mean, if you're thinking of any obstacles that will get in your way, whether it's I don't have transportation, my job may be a problem, or I don't know if I can go cold turkey and not have anything, you guys offer all of the solutions that will help them. And you even said too, Mike, listen to this. If we can't help you, we'll find a place that can.
Absolutely.
All you need to do is go to our website at Good4Utah.com. Click on Utah Works. You can watch them next Wednesday, the 26th, on Utah Works. If you know someone, or if you are in this situation, please give them a call. They are just right here in Draper, and they will be there to help you. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you very much.
Being
Appreciate
here.
it.
Thanks, guys.
See you in just a minute.
Coming up a little later on Good Things Utah, it's Alice in Wonderland like you have never seen her before.